liquidation.
Turn right.
Zero building. We are here. DRP liquidation.
And we're done.
Yeah.
You did well today. You were grey, noticed, but instantly forgotten.
Wow,
Pure
there's a lot of
trade
pallets, guys. Well, there's a...
Okay guys, we went to GRP liquidations here in Door, Michigan.
Yeah.
Trying our hand at our first pallet.
Yep.
So we have our first live Whatnot show
On March 1.
Yep, this
March
Friday.
1, 6 p.m. Yep.
6 p.m.
Yes.
So we're gonna have a lot of clothing.
Yep, guys.
So be sure to check out the link in the description below. You get $15 to spend on Whatnot on us.
Yep,
So,
and it's our first show, guys. Please support
for
us.
So we got a pallet
Yay!
and a couple mystery boxes.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Cause I've been busy, I've been chasing waterfalls. I stopped believing in some kind of miracle, and I've been staring at the sun for
Maybe like that.
Is that good?
Coming over here. Ta-da! Like that. Do you want to open it?
We have to.
Okay.
Hopefully. Cross our fingers, it's good stuff.
Wow. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Three.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, yeah.
Oh, it's all brand new.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, there's a lot of socks. Mom would like it. Oh, wow. Got jeans.
Blanket.
Oh. Levi.
Levi's.
Yeah. Levi.
Pants.
Oh.
Green pants. Cargo pants.
Thanks. Lovely.
Yeah.
Is this for a dog? Is this for a dog?
Maybe.
Can you give me some bags?
Yep. Oops. Smells perfumey. Underwear?
My good babe.
Pants. Levi's. Hat, wig.
Wait.
big stuff I'll just throw in here.
You can't really keep,
Huh?
can't keep there. The box. Hat.
Raincoat.
Mom needs it. This one.
Leave.
For swimming? Oh, look. You have a lot of things? It's for a triathlon.
Or no, that's a jean, like bibs, overalls.
Oh, makeup recreation stuff?
Bras.
Exercise.
Bras. Victoria's Secret.
Oh, really?
Or no, made in China.
What?
Yeah, we're just gonna have to start tossing in here, I think.
I think you can start $1 in this. A lot.
Stuffed animal.
Oh, it's a neat plane. The smaller ones too.
A lot of stuff.
Dude, they'll go for his bird.
Huh?
Go for his bird.
I know, that's why I'm trying to put it there. We can throw it in here later. Huh? So we're almost back home. We got a car full of stuff. It is Tuesday, February 27th, guys. I don't know if we said anything, but it's like 71 degrees outside for February here in Michigan, which is highly unusual. So, but they're calling for snow tomorrow. So 71 degrees one day, snow the next. So, but we're
Michigan.
almost home. Yep, it's Michigan for you. Yep. Again, guys, our Whatnot auction will be Friday, March
March 1.
1st. Friday, March 1st, 6 p.m. EST. This video probably won't be out till after it anyway, but but anyway, we'll do kind of a walkthrough on how we're buying the pallet process and doing our live auction. that's what this video will be about. So,
You're swimming or something?
we're opening a mystery box.
Over here, the swimming pool, over by Myers.
Oh,
There's no. If we are going there?
The gym. I thought you had to do some photo or something.
it's a $30 mystery
At
box.
the college,
Yeah, I thought you also had it down here to get up.
you can do it
Charcoal
there.
lighter.
You can wait.
Charcoal lighter fluid.
Well, people are interested in your teaching here.
Yeah.
that?
Daily,
are. Even
daily
the owner said
multivitamins.
he wanted to work in there. So I got
One
free,
day clothes.
free in there, and then you can make some business.
You.
And then you come home and get on and
Couple
these
different
are
take care of
supplements.
your business on the computer.
Stress relief.
I don't know what the hell that's for.
What's that?
Oh, printer cartridge.
I don't know.
Oh, it's a rack or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
wine
storage.
glasses.
My God. Why don't you just go
I can use
halfway?
these.
Well,
Oh,
they're gonna
Yeah, you want to just go half on this box and sell whatever's in the next box, or what do you want to do?
go half. You know, whatever you don't want, she gets, that she wants, and
Yeah.
vice versa.
Yeah, we can just
oh, this is for
share what's in both boxes.
printer.
See, that stuff.
Yeah.
I won't use that. You can sell that.
See,
Yeah.
This I will.
Printer
Those I will.
cartridge. Inkjet. That might be for our printer.
Yeah.
That'll
Yeah,
work for
you gotta check.
upstairs, yeah.
Two
Oh,
of those.
daily multivitamin.
Multivitamins.
Men's. It's for men's.
Stress relief.
For men's multivitamins.
Oh,
what is press release?
stress. Stress.
Oh, you're giving that to mom, so I would take
What
it.
is
Bath
that?
bombs.
Oh, what's
Are
this?
those bath bombs?
I don't know.
No, they're like little,
What's that?
little heart. No, they're not bath bombs. They're like heart
Yeah.
sponges or heart thingies.
Yeah.
I don't
What you do for this?
Is
I
it
have
a
no idea.
heart or the golf ball?
know. I don't know what that is.
Golf ball,
Funny.
but
Some more lighter fluid.
I mean,
we don't
that?
use it.
there's another one.
2 lighter fluid. Pink and
It's-
charcoal lighter fluid. I know.
Oh, those are nice.
That's stuff we'll use right there.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
sunblock.
Yep.
Especially 50.
Lavender.
Yeah.
Sleep. And this one is.
Oh, that's the oils,
for
essential
air.
oils.
Yeah.
There's another one.
Supposedly we can't use
Sage.
that down here.
What?
The,
Central oil
Yeah, we can.
because of the dog.
yeah, I was just found out.
because of the dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Supposedly.
There's another one of
That's
those.
Rihanna's.
Oh.
There's a
Canon.
bunch of those.
Oh,
Damn.
Yeah, that might work for our printer.
yeah. What's our
I think.
printer?
HP,
HP?
I think.
This
Oh, another HP.
Cool.
torch fuel. Oh, that's what torch fuel out there.
If you need it, we can
Oh,
empty it and. You need it.
More sunblock.
Oh, those are good.
You can see what
They're
that
expensive
is.
in the.
I can take
Can't
that
even see it,
kerosene
so-
stuff and put it on wood and have a fire.
Essential oils.
Probably oil.
Lavender.
No, blue.
Flammable? What's a fish? This is flammable or something.
What is it?
I don't know.
It says flammable.
Eucalyptus. Oh, it's the eucalyptus oil.
Oil?
Lavender and sleep. Which one did
Eucalyptus, that, and that's flammable?
Eucalyptus. Oh,
They covered it up, so I don't know what it is.
I have no idea why it's flammable.
I'd say.
see what's in this box.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's bug
Another mystery box.
Bug spray.
eucalyptus bug spray.
Oh. Bug spray. You need that?
Yeah, we can use that over here.
Hey, you wanna get rid of those
I'll open another.
bees?
It's a mystery box of a mystery box.
You wanna take a picture? Go over that way.
What?
Go over that way.
For
Go
what?
over that- The dogs.
Oh, why?
What was this?
They're all curious too.
They all came up, but all three of them were going like this.
Oh.
It looks like a
Is that egg?
paper shredder. I bet you
Oh,
that's
really?
what that is.
Paper.
I think that's what this is.
Oh, look at all the boxes I got.
Whoa.
Oh, where is it?
What's that?
Yeah, that's what it is. It's a
Paper
paper
shredder.
shredder.
Oh.
How many years have they gone out of business? That's a thing of the past.
Amazon Basics. Not really. Shred your papers so you don't have to burn it.
Yeah, you got FBI and whatever that can put it back together.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new.
I don't do it.
Maybe somebody needs it.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 box down.
Try whatever.
It's your turn. It's your turn to open that.
It's upside down, I can't.
Oh.
No.
No, it's this mystery box.
It's still upside down. I can't
Come
do
on,
it.
something good.
I can't
Come
do
on.
it. I can't do it upside down.
Another mystery box.
Yeah. Open it.
It's your turn. Well, you did, guys.
We got some more of those things.
Oh. Oh.
Magic mist refill packs.
It's this.
Couple small mystery boxes.
Magic. Magical refill pack.
Printer.
Refill?
Printer cartridges.
What's this?
Magical crystal ball. A lot of
These look
printer
like glasses.
glasses.
Yeah.
Got more of those guys. Those are expensive at the store though. Whoa. Those are the
I like $8 for pop cans for these things usually at the store.
whoa. It's
Portable.
affordable. It's for the teeth, you know. Like,
Ah.
Cool. Kids prebiotic, probiotic. Mommy, please.
Some glasses that look like.
Sunglasses.
Yeah.
Oh. Coconut and shea. Long lasting man curls. Curls? For the hair.
Coconut and shea butter.
Yeah.
Curl cream.
Big one.
Yes.
Still brand new tags on them.
Off. Yankee candles.
Ooh, stop it.
Nothing
It's
else?
done. It's done.
What is it?
It's something for make the pleasure last longer. The fish is that. More oils.
Some more
Printer
cartridges.
cartridge. Canon.
I guess HP. We have Canon at
You're
home.
back to sleep.
I think the Philippines printer Canon.
Here's
So
some
here
more of
it's
that.
HP.
Oh, it's missing the thing off the top. So,
Oh, yeah.
bug spray.
Maybe it's after you finish this one, you can transfer it.
no. Yeah.
Too, but that's probably why it's in the clearance.
Yeah.
No, this one you can reuse it. That's the cover only.
You can.
Yeah.
You gotta
I
have
think you can.
spray thing.
More.
You gotta open those.
More. I just put those in.
Another oil.
Oil, a lot of oil.
Mm. What's this?
I stumbled.
Anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner.
Harry's.
You want
Oh,
that?
that's man's.
Oh,
Men's.
oh there's
Is that
elephant
for
on it.
men?
There's
so.
elephant on it.
Yeah, Harry's. Men's.
Yeah, I'm a hairy man.
Power extra. What's this?
Monica, that's for hairy men.
It is not.
Do I qualify?
No.
Total.
Colgate.
Here.
Toothpaste.
I got it. I can't use that kind anyways.
24-hour antibacterial protection.
Shit.
Colgate.
Chem's.
What they do? Figure out some
What's this?
pharmaceutical?
Looks like more cartridges.
Sure. Battery. DV digital video battery. Battery. Video, camera.
batteries.
Who ordered that? Oh.
Well, just don't be
It's the,
trying to be nice.
The same thing that you looked at a little bit ago.
Scalp
I think it's just the same.
moisture cream. You need scalp moisture cream?
I don't know.
I don't think I do either.
Yeah, what's this?
Scotch tape.
That one already too.
There's more oil. One's missing out of there. Peppermint and
Multivitamins.
signature blend.
Vino. Oh, there's a Vino, Mom.
Oh yeah.
There's so close.
More oils.
Really moisturized.
Shea moisturizer.
So we open those box.
Manuka honey and yogurt. Or something.
Ah, yeah.
Gotta open those. You can keep those, boxes because. Oh, what's that? What is that? Who ordered this? Is it like from the bottom you put it, or in the racks or something?
No idea.
I don't have idea too.
Google it and see what
Yeah, they ordered it. Yeah. They made it for a reason. That's that?
There's something in there. Oh, stickers.
Oh, a lot
that
of
what-
stickers. And then you put that
What
to
is it?
protect the sticker. That's the fish.
Assorted Harry Potter stickers.
Oh, really? Damn.
Waste up a box, geez.
Okay, maybe you can save that box for something.
No.
It looks like one of those. It's a coffee pot. Is it a bun?
Another
It's
one.
not a bun. I don't.
Oh, there's.
Oh.
Get back around it.
There's no. Let's see. Thank you for your order.
Wasn't broken or nothing?
No.
No. Brand new.
There's another box way at the bottom.
No.
Flat one.
Okay. What's that?
I don't know.
Like a,
Metal.
like a,
Kind of like a mini stand or something.
yeah, or something like that.
Double.
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like that.
Oh. Ito. That's why it's heavy. Oh well. So that's the mystery boxes, guys. What's inside? Ta-da!
Hello guys. We are preparing for our live auction show. All the products we have to sell. Getting prepared for whatnot. So nice and bright. got a nice backdrop, back screen. Just preparing for our whatnot show. But however, this will be out after the show. But guys, stay tuned for future shows. We'll be putting a link in the description. If you guys follow us on whatnot by using the link in the description, you'll get $15 to spend on products like this. So stay tuned, you guys. Just wanted to give you kind of a behind the scenes look of what we're doing. So this is it. Choose preparing. This is kind of our setup, setting up in the kitchen. We don't have our own studio yet. Kind of making this our makeshift studio for now. So anyway, guys, we'll do a little bit of a video during the show so you guys can see what it's like. So stay tuned, guys. Yep, some more behind the scenes, guys, with your host, the Filipino Mermaid.
And Liam.
And Liam. Preparing for the Whatnot show, guys. Getting ready. This is our studio. Kitchen / studio for now. Maybe in the future we'll have a real studio. Maybe.
I'm gonna get the other one, huh?
Yep. We're just gonna prepare. We got 5 minutes till showtime. So, guys, wish us luck. Okay, guys, wish us luck. Be sure to follow this link in the description for $15 free to use on Whatnot, guys.
Yep.
Make sure you follow us.
Let's go.
So let's go.
Yeah.
Well, guys, our first Whatnot show, we did over 2 hours. Sold 17 items, so we're packing and shipping. So kind of expected probably for our first show. Wasn't so busy just because we got to gain a fellowship, but we're packing boxes. Got to weigh, package, and going through to see what goes where. Packing slips and preparing boxes. But shipping USPS, you get all these free boxes and flat rate, so it's the way to go. But that's what we're doing.